Disciplined Trader, what's up? What's up, what's up?
Order rejected. Order filled.
Yeah, surprise early stream for sure.
Order working.
Let's see if I can get that up there.
Order filled.
Hey, Coach Fred, what's going on? What's happening?
Order filled.
I'm actually gonna lock out these accounts actually, because I'm just trying to get my days in, Fred. I'm just trying to get my days in. Let's see. So 200 bucks on those. That's good. Let's see. Locked out. Zoom here. What's going on, Design? I'm in a long. I'm still in the long here on the My Funded Future accounts. See what happens. do have news coming out at 8:30. Yeah, I noticed the market was moving pretty decent this morning, Fred. Yeah. Hmm. It's not a good looking candle for my position.
Stop filled.
Hmm. Sabak, what's happening? Gold was rallying again. It was around just after London Open. She took off again. Headed back to 3,400. Take a look at the daily here. Looking kind of weak. NASDAQ. Sitting here waiting now for another setup. That one I got stopped out on. What am I working on today? See my funded future accounts. Locked out of the Buellanox. And yeah, so I got this new expert account here. And so I'm just working on these funded accounts, but they're not starting out too well. And I don't know. I want to get another TPT to work on too. Market is coming down. 737, 735. Finished working on a TPT, got a pro, always need a backup. Yeah, for sure. That's exactly what I want to do. So I gotta work on getting another TPT. I wish you could pass those in one day. That'd be nice. Woke up with a bit of a headache. What's the old Dow doing? Dow's just fading. Just it's in a down channel here. Gold's putting in a wicked bear flag. It's hard to short gold, but it is putting in a bear flag. Miss June. June is here. June can always be with you. Oh, that's hot. Is he still streaming, Fred? June? No. Still has a channel though, yeah. Yeah, I didn't think he was doing any live streaming. Pretty sure I'm subscribed. Got news in about 30 minutes.
Order filled. Order working.
I like that gold short right there too. Almost like it better than the NASDAQ.
Order filled.
I'm short gold on the expert account and long in NASDAQ. Jinso, what's going on? Hmm. Yeah, NetBaba. Yeah. One expert account, one starter account. Just looking to fill this bit of a gap up here. Yeah. Making too much money today? Nice, Smokey. I just locked myself out of Buell and Ox. Those payouts are locked up. But my funded futures is not starting out too great. I don't know, that's what I get for trying to short gold, Anna, for sure. Stinking gold. Really, NASDAQ? Just give me a little bump. Never trade gold ever. Yeah, I hear you. You just give me the 10
Order filled.
points, please? Thank you. If it wasn't for this gold trade. Never short gold, design.
Order filled.
Damn it. Oh well. We'll rest that expert account. I can trade 5 contracts with it, so we'll see what happens. Never short gold, never long gold. Yeah. Yeah, I like that little flag break there, but it felt good. Got me. Hey, Terry Trades 100 in the house. Terry's getting ready for her stream. Expert account Terry's taking a hit already. I was trying to short gold and just paid the price. It's alright. It's a brand new account, so I'm not attached to it yet. I prefer my colonoscopies done in a professional medical setting and not behind a Wendy's dumpster. But we are locked out of the Buellnox, Terry. We are locked out. Made another few dollars. Oh, this account actually I can trade a little more if I wanted to. But the other two, I don't know what day I'm on. Actually, let me check. I wish you could check to see how many days you were on this as far as payout. Oh, let's see, 36. So today will be day 7. So hopefully next week I'll be able to get a payout on those. Hey, what's going on? It's Asia markets, that's right. Alfred. You keep a spreadsheet? So much work to keep? Oh, wow. It's June 12th already? Yeah. Tomorrow's my birthday. It's my birthday eve. June 13th. Friday the 13th this year. Hey Eric, what's going on? It's a wake and bake. Yeah, for sure. I'd much rather have done that probably than what I just did to my expert account, but it's alright. Hey Kenny, what's going on? I'm on earlier and YouTube doesn't display. Yeah, it doesn't know. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let the people know. I've been up all night trading. Now. Building some signs, Kenny. Nice. 8:30 news candle. Yeah. 15 minutes. I have morning sleepy face? Yeah, for sure. I didn't sleep that good last night. I actually dreamt that I was in a tornado. That was a nightmare. Yes, I will be on My Funny Futures tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern. That is true. Pine's up all. I know that dude. That dude trades a lot. I'm exhausted just watching design. Just watching Tiger design. That dude trades all. Yeah, like you said, 24 hours a day. I swear. It rained all night, Amelia. Yeah, it's not that great out today. It's a little cloudy. It's not raining though. Youth? Possibly. Alright, I'm just kind of waiting for the news candle now, to be honest with you. I already got beaten up slightly on these accounts. These accounts are alright. Locked out of 2 of them, but this account I worked on last night, that one hurt. Maybe I'll try to send that one. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna send this account with a few micros on the news. It's only got $42 left in drawdown, so actually I'm gonna send it with 1 micro. Maybe I'll just look for 30 points. I don't know if we'll get it, but in a different Discord yesterday, some dude came in, called Top Step a scam, rug pull coming, no evidence of nothing, and then left. Oh, really? Yeah, if Top Step rug pulls everyone and fails to pay, then the whole industry is coming down, in my opinion. #1 trader for rug pull FTT. Oh, really? That's funny. In my experience, angry traders who can't trade do stuff like that. Hey John, what's going on? Good morning. Yeah, that's crazy. We'll try a little full send for the first time with the Project X. Good luck, Fred. Yeah, I mean, it's a high impact news, but it's not like a super crazy news, but we'll see. I will send this account here. $42 left in drawdown, so we'll see what happens. I was considering trying 2, but I don't know if 2 will work. 2 might just blow it instantly. You can. My Funded Futures TV, yeah. You can. I'm not gonna full port. Well, I got $42 left in this account here, Joe Jim, so I'm just gonna send this one here with a micro, see what happens, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. My very first trade this morning, I took a hit. I tried to long this inside bar here, looking for the push up to the VWAP, and definitely stopped me out for a nice little loss. And then I ended up trying to short gold, and you know what happens when you try to short gold. I got smoked on that, so I got you the other day. Hey JR, what's going on? Gold has been eating my lunch. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I know what I was thinking. I was looking at that bear, kind of a bear flag, and started to break down right here, and that's when I ended up hopping in. You can see right here, that's when I hopped in short, and I was looking to, push back down into here. Eh. Alright, got 6 minutes before the news. In case you're just tuning in and don't know what the news is, this is what the news we have today. We have core PPI and PPI unemployment claims in 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Then after that, we have a 30-year bond auction at 1. And that's pretty much it. Unless you trade nat gas. Two inside bars in a row. So the market's just kind of consolidating before the news. It's clearing out those order books. I'm waiting till New York Open, give the ORB. It's time to show me what. Oh, nice. Yeah, Terry's been trading that ORB on the 5-minute ORB lately, and it has not been working too well. And I actually don't think it hit profit target yesterday either. Which makes me want to send it today. Because just probabilities. Let's see, it came close. There's the ORB. Didn't quite get 100%. It got about 90% of that. So she tried to go for one and didn't quite get it. Came close. So this would be 8 times in a row, Terry? 9 times in a row? And in the back testing, she's never experienced that, so which is pretty interesting. Nice, I'm going to be hesitant with it. It's still a new implementation. Yeah, for sure. You're abandoning it, abandoned ship. I've never seen it fail this many times. Pine, I'll be back 34 minutes. Alright, man. Enjoy your coffee. Or make your wife coffee and lunch. What a nice guy. He's making his wife coffee and lunch for work. What a dude. I'm expecting PPI to be weaker than CPI, but anything can happen. Yeah, for sure, Alfred. Anything can happen. Nice setup here off the inside bars, but with news coming, I just can't take it. As you see, it's working really well. VWAP is fine, yeah. The VWAP. Nice 10 points off the inside bar there. Yeah, I'm always hesitant to take those setups just before the news. Kind of sucks, but alright, 2 minutes. So I am gonna just bracket this account. It's only got, it's the wrong account. It's only got $42 left. It's not eval. So I'm just gonna bracket it and see what happens. See if I can save the account. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't try this at home. Oh, I just did it with NQ. I forgot I was on the wrong.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Shoot.
Order working. Order working.
I was on the NQ chart. That definitely probably would not work. Would have popped that real quick. Yeah, just with an eval, JR.
Stop filled.
Ooh.
Order cancelled. Filled.
Bad fill there, but that's alright. That count's gone. Alright, we'll move on. Yeah, it was a slight twitch there, Trev. I don't know if Fred tried it on tried something on Project X. I don't know if it worked, but definitely weaker. All right, putting a giant doji here. The Project X idea is struggling the bracket on this one. Yeah, it's the bracket. You just have to put in the position, and so it's just the risk in the profit target, and that's how you set your bracket. I wish you could set it with points or ticks, but you can't. Oh, I wasn't saving. Yeah, there's that little save button down there. I don't know. Though I wish you could set brackets with the trade of 8 when you're copy trading. That'd be nice. Yeah, same with Trev. Yeah, I hate not being able to use brackets. It gets me in trouble. So rejecting off the VWAP there. You can see it's 21,800-ish. Gold starting to pull back here a little bit. Man, I'm hearing the sirens going crazy out there. I know people that live in a city are probably like who cares, but I don't hear sirens very often. There, this is the push up to the 21,800. The Meese gang territory war could be, Trev. Hey, Red Candles, good morning. How are you today? Yeah, I don't know, just on a whim, decided to hop on for a bit. Got my expert account in rough shape already. Not much of an expert, am I? Good numbers for PPI. I think it was weaker. I think it was not good numbers. Yeah, it came in not very good. But market is pushing up. Oh wow, 54-point loss. Wow. That is some major slippage. Market's ripping higher here. Yeah, so traders resume fully pricing in 2 Fed rate cuts this year. That's what it says. And then jobless claims forecast was 242,000 and the actual was 248,000 jobless claims. And PPI was 2.6% forecast and actual was 2.6%. Micron to invest in about $200 billion in U.S. chip manufacturing and R&D. Oof. Market's ripping, guys. Just waiting here. Numbers are good overall. This is better now, Alfred says. Yeah. Is gold coming down still? Gold is still rallying. Boy, you just can't stop gold. Not inversing today. NASDAQ rallying, gold rallying. Dow's rallying. Dow coming up to the VWAP. Yes. Taking off. Alright, I was tempted on gold, but I'm just gonna stay away. Design told me to stay away, so I'm staying away. Yeah, I might stay on for a little bit, Amelia. I don't know. I'm not sure. Only goes up, thank you. Yes. It's always interesting when you see those traders that only take shorts and only take longs. How can you not love TPT, get to the goal and get your money within a short time? Yeah, no, it's awesome. I gotta work on some more TPTs. Or if we get a really good day, I'll probably end up resetting one. They complain the most. It's annoying. Yeah, Alfred. Hey, Joker Trades, what's happening? Good morning. Only goes up, never forget. I'd like a pullback in the setup, please. Yeah. Just waiting for you. Waiting for one of my setups here. Alright, getting a rejection there off the 850s. Market's currently only down about 52 points. Do 15-minute candle. I'm not supposed to be awake this early. PPO. What's going on? Good morning. You took the quick 5-minute Harami.
filled.
I did it again. Design. I did it again. Shorted gold. Wonder if micros would have less slippage than minis. Sometimes, yo, Jim. Not all the time. Not all the time.
Order working.
Even Colorado, imagine how you feel at this time. Yeah, early. Come on, gold. Just push down a little bit for me. Short gold, yeah. Unfortunately. This second time I could possibly get burned on the gold. I didn't learn my lesson the first time. Design told me not to. Gold likes to do nothing for a while, and then 200 ticks in 5 minutes. Yeah. Maybe I'll get lucky here. We'll see. I doubt it. Everyone loves gold until at one time you find yourself on your knees praying just to get back, break even as you get liquidated. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. I think if I take this gold loss here, I think that's like, let me look. See. Well, I was trying to look to see if there's a way to show the like all my losses right now are all from gold. I think I'd be positive if I was just trading NASDAQ. Gold is account killer. Yeah, finding that out. Oh, I was trading gold to get the extra $100 buffer. I see 870 on 4 hour. If we fail, 800, so nice ranges. All right, top of the hour here in 10 seconds. Hey Butch, what's going on? I only trade to MGC now. Would rather deal with smaller profits and bigger headache. Yeah, I'm gonna. Come on, Cole. Why are we still up there? Yeah, it's gonna come out and take my stop out and then drop probably just above the session high. Yeah, Butch, I'm here for New York, but it's not going so well. It's not a good start. On these accounts, anyway. Put in an inside bar for short. That's what we went in on first. Then we just put in Harami on gold. It's triggered short, so can we just flush it? I don't like it when my entry is support. It just literally bounced off my entry. Hey Eric, what's going on?
Stop field.
Wow, it literally just bounced off my entry and then took me out there. No more gold. No more gold. Trade coal. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. Coal. That was not good. Slip positive 1K on the NQ pop. Almost lost 150K. Oh, nice. Nice, Nate. Oh, that was ugly. You got a lump of coal for Christmas? You are such a shitty kid. That was the Kennebec River. The Kennebec River, John. Hey, Jonathan Trades, what's up? Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can jump on that river on a boat and head right to the ocean. It's pretty neat. Be a little sketchy, but it's pretty neat.
Order filled.
Shorting here.
Order working. Order working.
Hey Sherry, good morning. We just got no momentum to the downside. Hey Bruce Lee, what's happening? I'm sure you're having a fight, yeah. Yeah, it does. It starts at Moosehead Lake, yeah. Moosehead's awesome. Like longs at 838. No, they screwed my brother over, John Walk. Bad. You Profit did. They rug pulled him. That was a few years ago, though. Rough time of morning to trade right now. Tend to get kicked in the balls. Yeah, I'm definitely getting kicked in the balls. They rug pulled Nutty. Even trade day has multiple accounts. Moosehead Lake, yeah. Moosehead Lake is beautiful up there. But yeah, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can be crazy. It's starting to get real bad right now. Risking 87 for 345. That's good risk to reward. We are just chopping sideways for the moment. Waiting for the market open, probably. Gold's dumping. There goes gold. Off a nice Harami candle, too. I'm putting an inside bar break here. You back short, Eric Lake. Good luck. It's definitely it's definitely exhausting. I'll definitely be getting out of this trade before the market opens, but be nice if it pushed down to the VWAP. It doesn't seem to want to move. Make a quick 100. I'm done. 153 is what I make 1 minute VWAP short. Oh, off the 1 minute.
Order cancelled.
I'm getting out of this trade. Just gonna wait for the market to open. Yeah, we could, Eric, for sure. I'm just gonna wait for the market to open though. About 10 minutes before the cash open here, so. Alright. Pee break. Dude. Iron intentions, GC worth a watch. Already had a move overnight, but might have more. Anna. Possibly. Oh, I'm glad I got out of that trade. Still just chopping around here. Mike M, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Interesting, make a run to VWAP at the open. All right, got about 4 minutes before market opens. I can see us pushing down into the 810s, 807s, down into the VWAP, possibly taking back some of this gap. Be interesting. Market's only down about 57 points. I think the commence the rocket fuel. Yeah, for sure. Tiger, what's going on, buddy? What's happening? I got up early. Got up early to screw up these My Funded Future accounts. Bad. But that's alright. We got the Buellanox locked in for a payout. These two accounts here, so I'm taking all the Buellanox money, Tiger. You gotta get some Buellanox money. I'm taking their money. I just been red hot with the Buellanox. Everything else has not been going well. I am killing Buellanox. Tiger slept like a baby. Sensei, what's happening? You passed out completely? Ah, yeah, man. Long streams. I was saying it earlier, I'm like, Stock Tiger trades all day, remotely, and then all night, and dude's trading. All right, 1 minute before market opens. Let's see if I can hit daily loss limit on these accounts. Or actually, this expert account could be gone. It's only 2,000, and that's the other thing on the expert account. There's only 2,000 to drawdown start. And starter account says 2,500. So you get an extra 500. But we'll see. 24/7, including weekends, trading the old crypto, huh? On the weekends. How much I risk per trade? Actually, all these losses right here are all from gold this morning, unfortunately. So I was definitely over leveraged with gold. Went on this inside bar break here, had to stop up above. So I ended up risking way too much. Market's open. Yeah, Sensei, for sure. Yeah, it screwed me over bad to this morning. But that's okay. It is what it is. The expert account I just got yesterday, so I don't have any attachment to it yet. If I'm going to lose it, I might as well lose it the next day. I don't know about you. Some of you guys are like, sometimes I get, if I don't get a good starter on an account, it's just like, it's disastrous. But I know with the starter accounts, it has that daily loss limit, which I would have already hit with the expert account, but, and that's saved me a few times. But you also get, so you get like $1,100 or $1,200 daily loss limit, but you also get an extra $500 of drawdown, so. All right, pushing higher at 871. Looking to fill the little gap up there. The daily gap. Market's down about 15 points. Yeah, I can set you back a little for sure, just because of the consistency. If you're trying to hit that profit target in 5 days, definitely. Hey TCG, what's going on? Oh, I hear something in the driveway. The mailman. The mailman. She's dropping off, I don't know. If it's a certified letter, I don't want it. Speaking of that, I gotta pay the... Gotta pay this ambulance bill, I forgot. Hey, Prelim, what's happening? Good morning. Ooh, look at YM pulling back. gold pushing up again. YM really pushing down on the YM. YM's down about 233 points. Hey, Stock Tiger, thank you very much. Yeah, back today, prelim, yeah. I just decided to hop on a whim. I ended up, I don't know, I was up early. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping in.
With their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Could be putting in an inside bar here. Nope.
With their nails done now.
This is the ORB break, 5-minute ORB break.
Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Just being patient here. I think... I don't know what to think. Hey, Dawood, what's up?
Order filled.
Ribbit.
Order filled.
Took a quick 10 points as we kind of filled that gap there from settlement, previous day settlement. My reasoning was ORB. We pulled back to almost 50% of that previous candle, and then I hopped in on the momentum just for a scalp. And I'm essentially using DLL as the stop on this account, to be honest. Keegan, what's up? Sometimes I wonder if the prop employees sit around and bet on traders' trade outcomes while watching the execution. Yeah, that would be funny. I'd love to watch that, actually. I'm sure they watch things like CPI and things like that, Nate, like where they just sit around and they have like a giant screen, so it's just got all the accounts, and then you just see them all get popped on the news candle, and then all the green ones. It's staggering the amount of money that they make, these prop firms. The big ones. I don't know about the new ones, but the big ones. Just pushing up here, kind of grinding higher. Gold's starting to pull back a little bit. ES, what's ES doing? Just hanging out there. YM had a big dump off the open and is continuing to want to dump. This is pretty interesting, actually. I might look into taking a school run trade, but I mean, if it triggers like a short on YM and then NASDAQ decides it wants to dump in the ES, like YM could really flush. But I've also seen them move inverse of each other too, but you can see like YM's already taken back the data candle, or most of it, like the gaps and stuff, and NQ has not, which is interesting. So I would love to see like a nice push up, come back, put in a Harami candle or an inside bar for a short down into here. That'd be a really nice trade. Thanks for stopping in this morning, guys. Appreciate it. I know no one's usually expecting to see me, but I don't know. On a whim, sometimes I plan on hopping on here and there when I feel like it. I just don't want to feel like I have to right now. Then it becomes a job, and no one wants a job. Johnny Pine Seed, right? Yo, Jim. All right, continue to grind higher there. Filled the gap. Settlement. Currently, the market is unchanged. Anyone trades the 15-minute ORB, it just triggered a long. If anyone trades that. Kind of long on the YM.
Order working.
There we go. Do it. Thank you, Kenny. Smash that like button, guys. This music feels like I'm getting ready for the Olympics or something in the 80s. Apparently there's a plane crash in India. Boeing's dropped 6%. The Dow is rallying.
Order working.
Hey, walk to you. What's going on? Checking a bag. I am losing a bag. But we're up nicely on this trade here. I'm looking for a big win. How you doing, Walk to You? How did you do on, was it you that was working on that Take Profit Trader 25K? How'd you finish yesterday? Did you have to make more money today? Or make more money to pass it? Uh-oh. It's alright, man. Yeah, 22,071. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's alright, man. You got that. You can do it. You got that. Stock Tiger TV in the house. I love that you guys changed your name to TV. So we are long YM, looking for the moon. How do you calculate when it comes to the fees? I don't know. I just look to see whatever's up here on the equity on Trade of 8. It's pretty much what I'm watching. So yeah, I don't try to calculate it. Number one day trade of Pine TV does not feel like it right now. Stock Tiger. Struggling this morning. Digging myself out of a hole. Righty's looking weak. Yeah, I'm going on the aggressive school run trade. 9:45 candle. Do I need to... You trade to righty design. The contract fee, yeah, you gotta include all that for sure. Yeah, so it's whatever your net is. So like under trade performance, it's whatever your total P&L is at the end of the day. Rip it. If it wasn't for stupid gold design, I'd be very profitable this morning. That's what's frustrating, because I don't trade gold. I don't know what I was thinking. The NASDAQ and the this YM trade was very good, but that gold burned me. There we go. So I noticed YM and NASDAQ are kind of inversing each other today. I'm just
Order cancelled.
gonna take the 250 off right there. Came right to the top of that range, and it could break out of it, but we'll see what happens. NASDAQ is pushing down. ES is pushing down as well. Well, ES is kind of just flat. Kind of just hanging unchanged. Grinding back a little bit. Hey, Yoma trades in the house. Is Yoma this the real Yoma? Is this the real Yoma? What's going on, buddy? Good to see you, man. Oh, thank you, Yoma. Yeah, 1.7 thousand subs. Pretty awesome. Yeah, usually streaming when you're in bed, Yoma. That's the thing. Back 6 o'clock Eastern time. That's when I've been streaming the most. So, how's the trading going, Yoma? Have you been doing any trading? The world wants to know. Yeah, the market reopened. Yeah, that's where I've been doing most of my streaming. That's where we get the subs. A few off the righty, mini dump. Nice design. I haven't looked at righty in a long time. Take a look at righty. My trading piff about that. I've been in a dark place for the past few months. Been feeling very alone, and trading has been tied to worth, so I've been trading. Doesn't go well. It affects me a ton. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. I've been in the same boat, Yoma. Wow, there goes NASDAQ. Yeah, I mean, but yeah, no, I've been dealing with a lot of depression and things like that myself, so I hope you're doing better. We just go day to day, right? Been wanting to dive into filmmaking, but I've been feeling very tired, not wanting to do things and stuff. It's tough. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, Yoma. My 15-year girlfriend, 20-year. I knew her for 20 years. Committed suicide about a month and a half ago. So yeah, I've been going through it, Yoma. Long time no see, Yoma. Yeah, we're all in a happy place. But yeah. Same, Yoma. Feel free to reach out anytime. What a way to rejoin the streams, yeah. But I was actually asking about you, Yoma. I should have messaged you. I did message Methodical about. I said, "Have you heard from Yoma?" And he's like, "Yeah, I actually just reached out to him." So I said, "Oh, okay, good." But yeah, definitely, we just go day to day, hour to hour. Things will get better. Things will get better. But yeah, didn't mean to bring down the stream. But anyways, but that's real life, right? And then trying to trade through it all, and it's not easy. So you haven't achieved anything. I don't believe that for 1 second, Yoma. I don't believe that for 1 second. Yeah, we're getting payouts, Yoma. We are getting payouts. We have been crushing the Bulanox. So I'm on. Let's see, what's my oldest account here? Crushing the Bulanox, and you're not bringing down the stream, dude. You're not bringing down the stream, by the way. That's real life. I think that more people need to talk about it, especially men. Like, we tend to like hide our feelings. But yeah, I've had this account going on 1 month. This is like Yoma numbers here. And we've gotten 2 payouts on it. And the other accounts here, I just locked in the 2nd payout. But this account here, I'm working on a 3rd payout. So we'll see. So lately we've been crushing the Bulanox, and we got a My Funded Futures payout just the other day. And those starter account My Funded Future payouts kind of feel like I'm just paying the bills with those ones usually. Yeah, Project X on the Bewley. Yeah, I've gotten away from Quan Tower and everything that's not mobile, because I've been doing a lot of traveling since just sometimes I don't feel like being home, so I've been doing a lot of traveling, and so I want to be mobile. So I'm using the Trade of 8 and the Project X. Gotta start copy trading me. If you faded me today, this morning, you are doing very well. Nasdaq pushing up higher, 21,906. 5-minute ORB is holding. Currently the low of the day on the 5-minute ORB, session low. Gee, Yoma's had a Buellnox account for 1 year. Today's your 1 year anniversary, June 12th. Tomorrow's my birthday, Yoma. What are you getting me for my birthday? That's amazing, Yoma. Yoma's had that account for 1 year, a funded account. No payouts. That's still amazing. Yeah, losing a dog is tough. Yoma. That's all good. You still working for the stadium? I have a 250k Apex PA that I've had about 140 days. Taking a few payouts. It's above the buffer, so I have 6,500 in drawdown. And just try to get it 1,000 above to withdraw 1,000 at a time. That's amazing too, design. That's so awesome. That's like, I'm working towards that consistency. Doing club work, which is cool because it's only weekends. I get to flirt with women 24/7. But festival season is coming up, which means no work. Oh, really? Club work, like working in so like clubs, like dance clubs. That's cool. Yeah, that's fun for a young guy, for sure. Oh, that's neat. Club work, so like behind the bar, ticket scanner, merch selling, anything really. Oh, that's cool. So is there like bands and stuff that come through? So you get to listen to music. And... yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, for sure, Eric. Yeah, I love dogs too, and I lost my dog a few years ago, and I can't get another one. I'm just like, I'm not going through that again. They don't live long enough. I lost mine at 7 years old. Freaking cancer. Hard techno, I like that. Yeah, I bet you there is a lot of girls that come through there, Yoma. Living on your own now? Yeah, I hear you. I'm living on my own too. It's I tell you though, like the stream really helps. Like streaming helps, has helped me, especially at night. So, streaming at night, hanging out with all you guys has really helped. All right, market is just pushing higher here. Had a little bit of a pullback. The ORB is paying today. I told Terry I was gonna go full port into it, but I don't drink and do drugs, so it's weird. Yeah, especially in the club. Stockstown, what's up? I remember when Margin call, Kevin Spacey dog dies, is heartbreaking. Yeah. They're all on X and MDMA. Oh yeah, for sure, in those clubs, those techno clubs. Yeah, I bet. So Yoma, I've been going on My Funded Futures TV lately. You can check me out tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll be on My Funded Futures TV again. Yeah, because of Terry. Terry Trades 100 is the new host for My Funded Futures, and so she's let me. She invited me on. I was gonna say lets me come on. That is the kind of the truth. She lets me come on. But yeah. So I'll be on tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern Time again. All right, market's grinding higher, guys. All water? Yeah, I drink a lot of water. Oh, I'm just drinking tea right now. A little tea. A little lemon ginger tea. So I got no setups going right now, guys. Just hanging out. We did crawl back some. We were down quite a bit. So I am crawling back. Let's see where we started today. It's been very ugly. So we've been down as much as $723, and we've grinded back a little, so. So now I'm just being super patient. Continuing to grind higher, guys. I think I put micros to rest last 6 months. Downsize has caused more damage than good. Back to minis where life makes sense. I hear you, Nate. I mean, some days it really hurts, like today, but I overtrade even when I'm on when I'm having winning days, when I'm trading micros, and so making 700 to 4K a day for the last 3 weeks. 4K a day, that's $1 million a year. Top 1, 10 seconds. Oh, I didn't know they added 10 seconds. I don't know any rules from top 1. Is it a hard breach, or is it a soft breach, or is it something like, you know, they deny you if you have too many or just one? Because My Funded Futures has a micro scalping rule too, but they don't enforce it unless you do it all the time. So if that's like all you do. There's the infamous 3-bar reversal. It never works. Stock Tiger, I bought a 50K. Yeah, and the reason for the 50K is because I'm cheap. But no, what I didn't know about it is that it's $2,000 in drawdown, compared to the starter accounts where they're $2,500 in drawdown. But yeah, I mean, still. But yeah, I bought a 50K expert. Because the 150Ks are like 400 something bucks. So I'm like, I could reset a Take Profit Trader Pro account for that. But that was kind of my reasoning. Well, I wanted to give the starter, the expert account a go, because the cool thing about the expert accounts is that you only need to trade 1 day a week to keep it like active and going. But you can take a payout every 14 calendar days. So you don't actually have to trade those 14 calendar days. This is what Terry told me. So she did ask support. So you can basically just trade once a week, 14 calendar days, and I think as long as it's over $1,000 for the 50K account, you can take a payout. So yeah, starter pluses, they cap you at $1,200. The same with the starter accounts. So the only nice thing about the starter plus is that there's no consistency, so you can build a bigger buffer, but they still cap you at $1,200. So yeah, this is the first one. Oh, thanks, Stock Tiger. Appreciate you, man. Hey, Owlboy, what's happening? What's going on? ES went parabolic on the 5-minute? Well, kind of did. Up about 10 points on the ES. NASDAQ up about 34 points. And I should have stayed in my YM. I'd be breathing and relaxing right now, but that's okay. I took it off at the top of the range, and we broke out of it. Now I'm just kind of sitting on my hands. Be right back, guys. Keep getting out of early trades, yeah. 90 out there today. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it there. Really appreciate you guys hanging out. Nice little stream this morning. Not that great at trading, but we dug ourselves out of a pretty steep hole. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, we've been going on about 3 hours, Owlboy, unfortunately. So I'm getting a little tired, but appreciate you guys using code PINE, Buellanox and Apex, My Funded Futures. And Take Profit Trader, PINE all caps to help support the channel. And I'll see you guys tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So good luck trading the rest of the day. I'm probably going to keep trading, but I'm going to take a break. I'm going to walk away for a bit. So, all right, guys. Peace.